At one side, our government is saying that we are wishing to do the development of the women, and at the another side, we are saying that the marriage phase of the women should be reduced to 16. Firstly, we should also to 16, and we should also give and our suggestions, and we should also think that if a girl will be his marriage at the age of 16, then how his personality will be developed and how his participation in the politics, in the technical field, in the professional field will take place. And they will not make career. And if the participation of girls is reduced in every sector of India, then I think that this developing country will reduce its growth, economic growth, technical growth. In each and
I do
every
agree with my friend. I do agree with my friend. Instead of reducing crime, we are promoting such a practice, which is banned since before independence. The marriage of less than 18-year-old girl is banned before the independence practice. So, for reducing a crime, we are prevailing such a practice which is not made in our constitution. Because the problem of this exploitation of girls is there in the whole country. It's not just the problem only of Haryana. So if we are taking such a solution, that would affect the law of the whole country.
Okay, and I agree with your point, but I want to add one more point. That is mainly the persons who are involved in the rape cases or the crime cases are mainly the men who are married. Or we have also already seen that many cases which is we have seen in India, the cases related to rape or the crime against the women. The women who are being raped are the married women, and the person who are much more involved in it are also married men. Then how can we say that
how should it get taken care of the family? Besides that, sir, at the age of 16, how should girl should take a full responsibility of the house? How should it take the good care of the children?
Actually, I totally agree with my friend. Not because of one he told. Because if the age is 16 and 18, then that person should not be mature when it is physiologically or psychologically person. And
Sir, also found most of
if we will implement that rule, that girls are 16 years old and boys are 18 years old, then that person, whether she or he, that person will be psychologically or physically not mature.
sure.
And one more point I have. What this type of rape scenes happen because of that person's wrong attitude, isn't it, sir? There is no need to implement any rules or anything regards to this. Only awareness programs we need to give. And one thing I would like to say.
Changing our constitution is fine because in our Indian culture for the girls it's a thing that most of the middle class family and village families after marriage very less number of girls that can go for job and most of the girls are housewives. So if the age limit will reduce then the career opportunity will also reduce for them and they will be also immature and even if they don't have the voting rights, then how can they can realize the responsibility of their life and families?
okay, and I agree with your point,
Just a moment, lady. I totally agree with my friends that the age of 15 should not be accepted by the Haryana government because of if you talk about the growth of any individual, like you can say in
boys and girls also. If you see the age of 15, so the Indian Constitution has made a rules for the education that if you are in winter, so that is the limitation of your age, that if you got 70 days, then you have passed the age. And after, means if you are talking about 15, age of 15, that marital stage. So your life is so busy. Your life will be so busy after getting the marriage. That is a big problem for the girls. And they don't want to take any kind of entrance, any kind of skills, any kind of examination, because they are not taking the time after getting the marriage. That is the big problem.
I have one more question.
She was waiting since 4 class 4.
Just for you to say, it's not a fruitful decision to get girls married at the age of 15, because there are many circumstances that it is not the right age for any girl or boy to get a commitment, because they are at that age, they are having their career, their studies are not completed at the age of 15 or 18. And by implementing this rule, the crime will not be stopped. We can see many of